Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wondered why. The death watch was over, buried 4 days, and somebody said he was soon be here. The Lord was on his way. Martha ran to him, and she cried, Lord, if you'd only been here, you could heal him, he'd still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. His way is God's way, not yours or mine. And isn't it great? He's 4 days late, he's still on time. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand. He's been there 4 days. The grave stone was rolled back. Then Jesus cried, Lazarus, come forth. Then somebody said, he's alive. He's alive. You may be fighting a battle of fear. You've cried to the Lord, I need you now. He has not been. Friend, don't be discouraged. He's still the same. He will soon be here. He will roll back the stone, and he'll call out your name. When he's 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. His way is God's way, not yours and mine. And isn't it great that he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Oh, my God, it's great, but he's 4 days late.